Hello everybody, how are you? Fine? Excellent. Today we are going to continue practicing reading. Here we go. Open your book to page 60, reading lesson 4. Thomas Edison. Listen to the story and fill in the blanks with the correct missing words. But before, let me ask you, have you ever wondered how people became geniuses? Were they always brilliant? Did they have to work hard at school, just like you? And do you know who was Thomas Edison? Yes? No? Okay, watch this video.
Happy to learn.
Okay, now it's time to listen to the story and fill the blanks with the correct missing words. Here we go. Please listen carefully.
Thomas Edison. One of our greatest inventors had trouble with grammar and spelling. Thomas Alva Edison spent only 3 months in regular school. He was at the bottom of his class when his mother took him out of school. His mother taught him reading, writing, and arithmetic at home. Most importantly, though, Mrs. Edison was sympathetic to young Thomas's love of research. Mrs. Edison encouraged her son's curiosity. When he was little, he wanted to know why a goose sat on her eggs. His mother explained to him that birds sit on their eggs to keep them warm so that they will hatch. Later, someone found him in the neighbor's barn, sitting on a clutch of eggs waiting for goslings to hatch. He was testing his new information.
Okay, interesting. Check for understanding. What subjects did Thomas Edison have trouble with at the school? Yes, with grammar and spelling. What did his mother teach him? Okay, his mother taught him reading, writing, and arithmetic at home. Excellent. If you have any questions, let me know by email or by platform. Remember, happiness is vacation. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye bye.